Jerryman live in the studio. Please, if you are just joining us, kindly do it by like, share, and comment. God bless you. Let me know from where you are watching from, because that means a whole lot to me. Don't go anywhere. The best is yet to come. And the title for this one, I think I will use the opportunity to introduce myself on this regard. I also render services like birthday song, jingle, anniversary song, either in English or in Pidgin. I render those services. This very one is for my own birthday, though today is not my birthday, but I have worked on it over time and I want to play it. I title it, "Now the day I hear congratulations." God bless you.
Every man turns seven my combo. Songwriter, but music producer gold. DJ by profession, sound of the slap. When Jerryman touch my crowd, they react. Concern the calendar, say this now you date. Glory to glory, no damn great faith. Funny line, 8 try countdown. Blessings say, no be my mate. Big pass, problem, celebration, overweight. If never there's song, Jerryman deliver. Anniversary tune. Now one day you go clever. Jingle with your name. He go sweet for here. Who can we confidence? Result go clear. Funny line if happiness get volume. Jerryman the max. If you get paid, now him they fast track from studio to contain. Excellence show. Grace for this matter. Quality pure. Call you love DJ Jerryman. Shout we love you. If today now you birthday, shout my turn. If you day celebrate, come clap your hand. Like come on, share, subscribe. No darling stand. DJ chat. DJ turn up. Shake body. Make joy scatter. Celebrate your best time. Shake body. From last year to this year, upgrade. From strength to strength, no downgrade. As they get a cut, let's see them multiply. As handle the light, that's the money they rise. Now the day I hear congratulations, congratulations. Now the day I hear congratulations, congratulations. Now the day I hear congratulations, congratulations. Every shot of me with it should be like DJ Jerryman, they want to celebrate. Now the day I hear congratulations, congratulations. Every shot of me with it should be like DJ Jerryman, they want to celebrate. Now the day I hear congratulations, congratulations. No sorrow, no celebration. And long life, and elevation. DJ Jerryman, congratulations. No cooler. But then I want to say, yeah, make joy loud. If you need some, put your name. Birthday, anniversary jingle, just book out. Now one day you go believe.
Welcome on board. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do me a favor. Like, share, and comment. God bless you. The title for this one is Now Praise Remain. Where you just listen to my birthday song, though it's May 10th, not today. I only play it for you to. Like I title one of my tracks that evidence no dey lie. You see, it speaks volume down. When I just advertise myself based on that, I just play that sample for you. The title for this one is Now Praise Remain. When God don't answer you, when everything has fallen into shape, the next thing to do is to praise. So let's dive into it. Now praise remain is the title.